Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest updates to make your digital life easier and more secure. Today, we're tackling something super important: how to lock your Google Wallet with your fingerprint in the 2025 update. With cyber threats on the rise, adding an extra layer of security to your digital wallet is a game changer. It's quick, seamless, and ensures that only you can access your funds. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your device is up to date. This feature is part of Google Wallet's latest 2025 rollout, so head to the Google Play Store or App Store and update your app to the newest version. Once that's done, open the Google Wallet app on your Android device. Sorry, iOS users, this one's exclusive for now. Now, navigate to the Settings menu. You'll find it by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner or by swiping from the side. Look for the Security or Privacy section. It's usually towards the top. Here, you'll see an option for biometric authentication, or specifically, fingerprint lock. Tap on that to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to set up your fingerprint. If you haven't already enrolled your fingerprint on your device, the app will guide you through that process. It's straightforward. Place your finger on the sensor and follow the on-screen instructions until it's registered. Once that's complete, toggle the switch to enable fingerprint locking for your Google Wallet. You might need to confirm with your device PIN or pattern for added verification. After enabling it, test it out by trying to open your wallet. It should now require your fingerprint instead of just a PIN. If you run into any issues, like the fingerprint not being recognized, double-check your device's settings or restart the app. Google has made this update user-friendly, so it should work smoothly on most modern Android phones. And there you have it. You've just secured your Google Wallet with fingerprint authentication. This 2025 update not only boosts your security but also makes transactions faster and more convenient. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want us to cover other features. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there. See you in the next video.